Nostalgia Ninja left a comment on my last video wanting to know the difference between creating tables by manipulating the geodata versus using the skin modifier. So let's delve into that. So I'm going to start by creating a path, and I'll tab into edit mode and just randomize our points. I'll then tab back out, create a duplicate and set it off to the side. We'll now start creating a cable using the object data properties. So I'll head on over there. Scroll down under geometry, come to bevel and increase the depth and reduce the resolution to about 2. And our first cable is ready. Now we'll select our second curve and I will convert this to a mesh right off the bat, give it a skin modifier and a subdivision surface modifier, and our cable is ready. So now we'll analyze the difference between these two methods. So let's head on over to our wireframe mode, and you can see we have edge rings here. Unfortunately, with the cable on top, we can only control the control points and not the individual edge rings. Whereas with the second method, we have control over the edge rings as well. So I can simply select all our vertices like this and just say checker deselect, and I can just scale these out like that. Let's just shade smooth. And you can see we've now created this repeating pattern across the cable. And I can't do so with the method on top unless I convert this to a mesh. So let's go ahead and convert this to a mesh. Now, in doing so, I lose the ability to control the diameter of this cable, whereas with the second method, I can control the diameter as well. So by selecting all the vertices, I can just hold down Ctrl A and increase or decrease the diameter of this cable. So these are the two major differences between these two methods. Other than that, it comes down to personal preference and the context that you're modeling in. So just keep in mind, there are a dozen ways you can do things in Blender, so pick and choose the method that works best for the context that you are modeling in. Hope that answers your question, and thanks for watching.